In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to A/B test your marketing email in Hubspot. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a clean, reliable A/B test so you can send the best performing version of your email with confidence. First, open HubSpot in your browser and sign into your account. Make sure you're logged into the right portal and that you have permission to work with marketing emails. If you manage multiple brands or portals, take a second to confirm you're in the correct one before you continue. From the main navigation, head to Marketing, then choose Email. This takes you to your email dashboard, where you can see drafts, scheduled emails, and past sends. Find the marketing email you want to test and click Edit to open it in the email editor. Inside the editor, select the A/B test option. This activates two versions of the same email, version A and version B, so you can compare their performance. Keep your test focused by changing just one meaningful element. For example, test 2 subject lines, 2 sender names, or 2 calls to action. Limiting your test to a single variable ensures you'll know what actually caused the performance difference. Next, give each version a clear name. Use labels that describe the difference you're testing, such as subject curiosity versus subject benefit. These names help you quickly interpret results later and maintain a clean testing history for your team. Now choose how many recipients should receive the A/B test. HubSpot lets you split a portion of your list between the two versions, then automatically send the winner to the remaining audience. If your list is small, consider a larger test split to gather enough data. If your list is large, a smaller split can still reach significance quickly while limiting exposure to the losing version. Choose your winning metric. Open rate is best when you're testing subject lines or sender names. Click rate is ideal when you're comparing email content, layout, or calls to action. Pick the metric that matches the variable you changed. Set your test length. This is how long HubSpot waits before declaring a winner. Give your audience enough time to engage, often a few hours to a day, depending on time zones and your send time. Short tests finish faster, but longer windows can capture more accurate behavior. When you're happy with the setup, click Create Test. That's it. Your A/B test is ready. As it runs, HubSpot will track performance and automatically determine the winner based on your settings, helping you send the most effective email to the rest of your list.